So the question has to answer the following questions. First, before the absolute uncertainties, we're given 3.0 and 3.11. So we have 3.0 plus 3.11. And when we add, we get 6.11. And this is going to be before the uncertainties. And because we're adding, we can use the formula of using the first error squared plus the second error squared. And when we do this, we get the square root of